The 5 best Ninja coffee makers right now, ranked purely by data, prices, ratings, and over 91,000 real customer reviews. No sponsorships, no opinions. Let's count them down. Starting at number 5, Ninja Pod, around $100 with a 4.3-star average. Starting at number 4, Ninja Single, around $100 with a 4.3-star average. Number 3, Ninja Hot. Around $160, rated 4.6 stars by over 19,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, no need for paper filters. Number 2, Ninja Coffee. Around $140, rated 4.6 stars by over 19,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, no paper filters required. Number 1, Ninja Fresh. Around $70, rated 4.4 stars by over 28,000 shoppers. Reviewers highlight, brews great tasting, non-bitter coffee consistently. With the best balance of rating, review volume and price, it takes our top RecoRader score, 72 out of 100. Prices and ratings change constantly, that's why our comparison tables update every day. Find the full breakdown, including 1-star complaint rates and what reviewers actually say, at RecoRader.com, link in the description.